Yo, what's up, everybody? So today, I'm going to be discovering the haunted house over there. So basically, we're going to try to beat the haunted house and get the secret weapon. You probably guys know, but if you're like new to the game and you don't know, you're going to see it at the end. So make sure to watch the end of the video. Bye. Okay, let's go. And also make sure to go to my other channel. Yeah. So go to my other channel. It's called TayDragon33. And also go watch my other videos, how to get the grappling hook. And it's really easy, so watch it. So yeah, we're gonna beat the haunted house. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. And comment down below what kind of game you want us to play, like Penguin Paradise, Gorilla Tag, something like that. I don't care, just anything. Fortnite, yeah. But it has to be a VR game because I'm not cooked. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, I'm alive. I don't know where to go because Miles, just don't turn your light on. I think we go where red light, green light is. We do? Yeah. Where red light, green light. Oh, over here. It's the giant. It's the giant. It's the giant. Are you at the big hill? Where are you? Oh, I'm cooked. Miles, I think I'm dead. Oh, I'm not dead. He didn't hit me. Okay, so turn off the light so the lady can't get us. Oh, I hate that lady. Okay. Oh, crap. Oh, nice fire. So nice. Alright, well, I'm gonna sit back here. Right next to the fire. Take your shit. Okay. Okay, so we're not gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way, I think. I believe. I don't remember. Fine, let's just go this way. Nope, nothing there. Open up, mother. What the hell? Oh, it's zero gravity in here. Whoa. Oh, no, 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 don't go in here. It's a death trap. I think I'm cooked. My hand is stuck. No. I made it. Okay, so I think it's this. Is there a door here? Oh, no. Or turn your light off. Oh, grab the trophy. Oh! Yeah, that was the painting. I thought that was the girl. Okay, let's go. There you go. It's in the other one, I think. No, it's on the... Bro, I told you not to turn your light on. Yeah, it's... Okay, Miles, come on. It's on the other side. I told you. Okay. I think it's this door. Nope, not there. I think it's in here. No, it's in here. Oh, my hand is stuck in the door. Miles, can you try opening it? Oh, never mind. Oh, there's another hallway over here. I found a goofy out painting. Do you want to see my goofy out painting? Yeah. Open the door. Okay. Oh, it's not? Okay, it's not this door. It's in this one, I think. I hear the lady. Oh, it's just a hole. Oh, it's a bomb. I know. Open up! How? You did? Which door? Where are you? Oh, we found the key, guys. Okay, I got a key. Run! Hey, you're hitting me. I didn't even see the head. Like, yeah. Okay. Room. Yeah. One sec, Cohen. I'm making a video. Yeah, we're doing it. We're doing this. Okay, so. Okay, we gotta go. Why does it keep doing that? Oh shoot! I'm dead. Bro, my headset keeps like glitching. You dead? Bro, Cohen, just wait 1 second. No. Oh. Bro. Holy crap, this is just... Oh, yep, we got the ray gun. Let's go. Cohen, can you stop? In 1 second! Okay, I'm coming. Hey, wait, I could just... Yes! Okay, I made it. Now, thank you all for watching. I'll be back in the next video. Bye.